However, Portulaca, flora, and mussels thrive in hot climates and are easily grown from seeds. In this video, we will learn how to start them from seeds and how to care for them from the beginning until they reach the different stages of development. Because they prefer well-drained soil, we will use 60% organic composition and 40% fine sand or beets. An organic composition will help these seedlings grow stronger by providing all of the nutrients, while fine sand will make the mix very draining and help to keep the mix solution for better development. Make a drainage hole in the bottom of a standard-sized pot and cover it with gravel or smaller stones. Fill the gap with departing, then mix with your hand. Make an even surface and gently sprinkle these small seeds over the departing. Then cover the seeds with the final layer of the same potting mix. Avoid burying them too deeply. Water them carefully with a shovel. Seeds require light to germinate, so keep the pot in partial sunlight. Where it can receive morning sunlight. And spray with a fine mist if the soil dries out. At this stage, you can see very delicate seedlings beginning to germinate, so don't water from the top or with a shovel. Our today 2 products and link in description. Automatic watering system, terracotta plant watering stakes. So please report in the tree in a couple of minutes to find out that Makes has served up all the water from this tree before dying. This watering method will be critical in achieving a higher success rate at this stage. You can move the pot to a location where seedlings can get direct sunlight to me in the US way. Oh, let me sleep and say so. Oh, maybe I'll leave you alone. But I know I took you down just like you wanted because your seedlings will look like this in a few days. At this point, you can move them to different parts. Dig up all the dimensions at the bottom and cover them with the smallest doing. It will be filled by agree. Take 50% of my garden soil, 20% fine sand, and 30% organic compost for departing. Then take out some seedlings from the report. Being careful not to break their delicate roots. And make some 2-inch deep holes in the parting mix. Allow a 4 to 5 inch space between two seedlings for best results. Insert this seedling into the hole. Making sure that the roots are completely covered with the parting mix. To form this, gently dab this soil around this stem. If you pinch or remove the top part of this stem to engage multiple stems of bushy growth. Keep the board in full sunlight as they need 6 to 8 hours of Wilson. To reach their potential and water. Only when the top layer of soil feels dry to touch pinch of the first flower. In order to get more bushy plants that will produce more flowers later on, and water only when the top layer of soil feels dry to touch pinch of the first flower. In order to get more bushy plants that will produce more flowers later on, and water only when the top layer. However, one word of caution: the area around and beneath the hanging baskets or other containers can easily be populated by more Portulaca plants the following summer due to seeds spread by the plants the previous year. This has also been my personal experience with this extremely hardy plant. While Portulaca is an annual, they return year after year without my assistance.